Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Tech Spoof, and today we're going to talk about a hidden folder in your operating system called Windows.Old. Well, I'm assuming you're using Windows operating system, but if you're using Mac, this tutorial is not for you. So if you have upgraded to your new Windows 10 operating system, or you just upgraded to another Windows operating system, or you formatted your laptop or PC or desktop PC, chances are you still have a folder in your operating system called Windows.Old, hidden and located on your C drive in your system. And it needs to be deleted. Believe me, it needs to be deleted. Did you ask why? Well, because it is eating up huge resources in your system. For instance, if your previous Windows OS operating system was consuming up to 40 gig of your hard drive before you formatted or upgraded to a newer one, the Windows.Old folder that is not relevant to your system is still consuming 40 gig of your hard drive, even though it's not part of your system anymore. Well, you might ask, why is this Windows in my system? Well, Microsoft does this so that your system will have a fallback if the new operating system you're upgrading to fails. It's a good thing though, but Microsoft forgot to tell us if the new operating system runs well, you should delete the old one, which is stored in the Windows.Old. Yes, you can delete the Windows.Old folder, but you can't just delete it from the file folder like ordinary file or folder deletion. There's a proper way to do this. You have to follow the steps. So if you like the kind of video, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our video anymore. Okay, what is Windows.Old? Windows.Old is simply a folder generated automatically in your system anytime you format your PC or upgrade to a newer operating system. Understand? So to get an idea of how big this folder can be and how huge and how it's consuming huge resources in your system, just go to open an explorer and double click on your C drive, then right click on Windows.Old folder and choose properties. You will see how big this can be. Mine is not that big considering the fact that I don't normally save my documents in the PC, but I bet if you try this on your system or your formatted system, you will be amazed. Okay, for you to delete this Windows.Old, all you have to do is to click on this PC, then right click on local drive and choose properties. Now click on disk cleanup. This will appear. Click on clean up system files. Let's hang on a bit as it loads. Allow the system to do its thing. It's calculating how many gig the system files is containing. To take a little bit of time, so you have patience. Okay, now when this dialog box opens, you scroll down and click on previous Windows installation. You can see it's 15.6 gig. So when you click on it, you click OK, and now click on delete files. It will start the cleaning up of your system. If you clean up the previous installation or temporal, you will no longer be yes. Just click yes and allow it. It will clean up the whole 15.6 gig, though maybe in your own system it will be more than that. It could be 40 gig, it could be 50 gig, I don't know, but mine now is 15 point something gig. So it's going to clean up the whole thing and allow me that resources for least 15 gig in the system so that other programs will use it. So I'm going to pause this and I'll come back. Okay, so once it's done, you just hit OK, and that's that. So if you want to check if the Windows.Old is gone, you just double click on your local drive. You can see that the Windows.Old is. So that's that. This is a good way for you to delete your Windows.Old and free up your system. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. And of course subscribe to the channel.